What is up, guys, and welcome back to Homes with Shields. And first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. In today's tour, we're over here in Rockingham County, North Carolina, and we're going to be taking you through this absolutely beautiful custom Carolina Sparta, okay? The Sparta consists of 1,825 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath plan. It does consist of an optional front and back porch, okay? You could do something totally different. This is an absolutely stunning 8x30 double gable front porch, okay? Now up there within that gable, you've got some really cool detail. Number one, you've got the vaulted ceiling area over here. One thing I wanted to point out today, you are seeing the black exterior trim package. So your soffits, your fascias, your trims around the windows, all that stuff is going to be black today. And on top of that, this customer did go with the upgraded black windows as well to tile all that black trim in. But an absolutely beautiful front porch here. Some other high notes about this exterior. This is the new LP Smart siding, okay? It is a new form of hardy board siding that we're doing. We have a Heartland 2XL actually set up on our lot there in Burlington with the LP Smart siding. And we have a Sparta like you're gonna see today there at our location in Burlington as well. So you definitely wanna come check those out in person. But the LP Smart siding, beautiful front porch on a full foundation there. This front exterior is to die for. It literally has it all, guys. So let's go around the back. I want to show you the back porch that they added. All right, so I'm turning the corner around here to the back of the house. Off the back, they've got a 10x40. Yes, you heard that right, a 10x40 covered shed style porch, okay? I'm gonna get up there in the video when I get inside and show you and kind of give you a tour up there, but this will give you a good idea just how big that front porch is. The far right side down there is actually going to be screened in. I'll explain that as I go. And then all that is going to be overlooking this absolutely beautiful property. Really cool stuff here. All right, let's get in and take a look. All right, so when I was walking around back here to the front, I noticed a few things I wanted to point out. Number one, they option in the true French door on the front. You'd have 3 single doors with glass to choose from at no cost. The French door, like you're seeing there, would be extra. This customer added some detail in this porch as well up here in the ceiling with can lights. If you want it prepped for a fan or swings, any of that stuff, we would want to know that up front. And last but not least, the handrails and pickets. If you've got a relatively flat lot and you know you can probably get away without handrails or pickets by code, and you don't want them, let us know. That would, save you some money, especially if you don't want them. So that's stuff you need to think about when you come to me. And let's get in here and check it out. Oh, wow. So as you can see, one unique thing about the Carolina Sparta is the living room is off the back. A lot of our plans have the living room on the front. So if you've got a view like this customer off the back, this may be a plan you really like. So when you open the door, you've got your dining space to your right. One thing I just noticed, look how big those window sills are. That's telling you that this house was built with 2x6 exterior walls instead of 2x4. This customer did option in the taller 9-foot ceilings throughout the entire home today. So you've got 9-foot ceilings throughout. One thing I realized I didn't turn on were the 4 extra can lights in the dining room. Typically in your dining room, you just have a chandelier. As you can see, this customer took that out, but they did add the 4 can lights, okay? Here you've got your kind of entry area designated by your dropped headers. I've always kind of liked that concept to kind of give it some division here. And then you've got a handy dandy coat closet right off of that French door, okay? Let's keep it moving. On to the kitchen and living room. Along with the 9-foot ceilings, they added the exposed beams up here, 3 exposed beams. They're very affordable, so you do see them a lot in my videos. Really nice gas fireplace here, stacked stone. They stopped the stone halfway and just did sheetrock from there up because your TV is going to be mounted there. As you can see, you've got your recessed TV box there, outlets, cable jack, all that good stuff. And this is a gas fireplace. We've got wood, electric, all that stuff. One thing I would notice too, your casings around your doors and windows. This is the optional trim package around your doors and windows, that old squared off Craftsman style look. Another thing is this customer upgraded from the 4 1/4 base molding all the way to the 6-inch base molding. Not terribly expensive. You don't see a lot of that in my videos, but if it's something that you like, let me know. So optional casings, bigger base molding, and this is our included crown, okay? Just a fabulous kitchen. So you're seeing the sugar cane backsplash today, ran all the way to the ceiling behind that range hood. You are seeing the stainless steel farmhouse sink, a gas range. So I say that to say, you know, we can prep for gas appliances always. So check this out. You've got your normal range oven, right? And then you've got your wall oven and wall microwave. So this customer actually has 2 ovens the way it operates now. Got your wall oven, your super fancy microwave, your fridge, and then right beside that is going to be the walk-in pantry. So a very convenient and large walk-in pantry. Outlets, things to think about to add in these pantries, additional can lights, things like that. Those are things that you would want to tell me. One valuable thing about this video today will be that this customer stuck with the laminate tops throughout. So no granite or quartz today in today's video. They stayed with the standard laminate tops throughout the plan. Okay. All right, so let's go over here to the master suite. Knock that out real quick. They definitely did some customizing over here. Similar to our lot model, you're going to access the closet from the bathroom, not right here. So the original Sparta layout actually has the closet entrance right here instead of the bathroom. So, you know, whichever one you like, it's easy to change or flip, okay? All right, so traditionally you would just have 2 windows in this room. As you can see, this customer did add an exterior door going on to that gigantic covered porch, which I'm going to get to here in a second. So they've got their own private entrance, and this is the portion that's actually going to be screened in. As you can see, they've got it framed for it there. But I'm going to go out there here in a second and show you more of that, so just stay tuned. Every room wired and braced for a ceiling fan. One thing I would note in here, they did add a can light in each of the corners, so 4 additional can lights in this master bedroom. Here's your master bath, accessed by a pocket door. Here you are seeing the largest of the 3 showers, the 4x8 ceramic tile shower. I don't see any extras really in this shower. You got the rain head up top, the handheld. They did add an additional wall mount. Other than that, all of these things are included. Oh, sorry, one more thing. The shampoo soapbox. So the additional head, the soapbox would be extra, but all of these other items would be included except for the extra can light. 1 can light would be included in this shower. So you got 3 upgrades on top of the already upgraded 4x8 shower. Here, off of that shower area, accessed by a pocket door, is your master walk-in closet. This customer stayed with the wire shelving today. Tons of space in here. Really good sized closet. All right, so let's cross the main space and get onto the spare bedroom side of the house. But before I do that, let's make a quick pit stop and check out this covered porch. This is one of the biggest back porches that we have done in a long time. Wow, look at that. So nice. So 10 by 40, we've got it all covered up now to protect the wood. This is framed out to be screened in. 2 ceiling fans. They really thought this thing out. And then you've got probably a 10-foot wide staircase going down into their yard. And then you've got another nice big wide staircase over here off the side. She said this is going to be like all concrete paving, grilling station, and there's their really nice building beside the house. One of the prettiest lots I have seen, or pieces of property I have seen in a long time. Outlets. Got 2 outlets there. All right. Moving on to the spare bedrooms and utility. Today's floor coloring is the Volt floor coloring, one of the 5 included colors. All right, so bedroom, utility, bath 2, okay? I'm going to go counterclockwise, starting with the utility room. So this is a little bit different from our model, I guess. Our utility room is actually where bath 2 is in this video. So I'm not saying one's right or wrong. It's just whatever you want. Let us know. You are seeing the LVP, that Volt LVP throughout the entire home today. So you've probably picked up on my other videos, carpet is going to be included in the bedrooms. If you want flooring throughout, you're paying extra for the bedrooms basically. Notice how the Sparta has walk-in closet in all 3 bedrooms. Very rare that you see that. All 3 rooms with the walk-in closet. All right, here's the last of the bedrooms. This is technically bedroom 2. It's the larger of the 2 spare bedrooms. Got your pull down, fold out ladder there to access your attic. And then here is bath 2. So again, this was the Carolina Sparta at 1,825 square feet. It featured a magnificent front and back porch. It also featured our new LP Smart siding, which is a form of hardy board siding basically. So this house had a ton of cool things to see, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It really helps out me and the channel. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. Thank you, guys. Take care.